How to delete photos and videos on Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you how you can do it. So let's get started. First of all, you can go ahead and open up the Messenger application on your device. And then once you open it up, log into your account and head over the chat from which you would like to delete photos or videos. So what you need to do is you may head over the chat, for example, this. So in order to go ahead and delete the photos and videos that you've sent, when you head over to the group name at the top, you will be taken to this option. So here we have this option of view media files and link. Just go ahead and tap on it. And when you tap on it here, it will show all the media, including the photos and videos. So if you want to delete all of them all together, we do not have that option yet provided. But what you can do is you can manually head over to the chat and look for the video, scroll up until you reach over to each photos and videos. Long press on the media and you should be finding a more option, click on it. And from more option, you should be finding a delete option on your screen, tap on it. And you can select delete for everyone or delete for you. Let's head over to delete for everyone. And once that is done, that media should be deleted. If you want to delete whole together, another method you can apply up is delete the whole chat instead. In order to do so, long press on the chat and you should be finding an option of delete. Go ahead and tap on it. Confirm that delete, and when you do, the message will be deleted, including the photos and medias. So this is the way you can follow up in order to do it. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.